Hello everyone, welcome back to the JavaScript Mastery series. In our previous video, we explored the ES6 plus overview and the browser compatibility. Today, we are diving into one of the most practical feature of modern JavaScript. It's template litters and tag templates. If you have ever struggled with the string concatenation or want to write multi-line string without messy escape character, this video is going to change the way you work with string in JavaScript. We will even explore the advanced concept of tag templates that gives you a superpower over the string processing. So let's get started. At first, the old way, the string concatenation. Before ES6, working with the string in JavaScript could be a pretty painful. Let me show you what I mean. Const name equal Sarah. Okay. Then const age equal 28. Const city equal NYC. Okay. The old way, const message equal suppose this. Hello, my name is, then space, then use the plus for the concatenation, then use name, then again plus, then use the quotation and use the dot for name is this, then dot space I am. Okay, again space, then again concatenation with the plus sign, then is again plus. Okay, then again the quotation space years old and I live in again space, then plus sign city plus dot. Just console log, check it. Note 051. Okay, something. Okay, it's work actually. Not okay. Console log it. Console log this message. Okay, then open terminal. Note 51 is our chapter name. Hello, my name is Sarah, and this is working fine. But you see, for the concatenation, what we did every time. Okay, so this if you look at those plus sign and the quotes, it's easy to make mistakes. Forget a space, this space, right? Or mess up the syntax. And what about the multi-line string? Did you ever notice? Suppose this multi-line. What you need to do? The backtick, backslash, and then again plus. Then you get the multi-line of code. Okay, we had to use this slash and for a new line and keep concatenating. Not fun, right? So ES6 introduced the template litters, also called template string, and they solve all this problem beautifully. Instead of regular code, we use the backticks that the character value the escape key on keyboard. Here is the same example with the template litters. Just how simple it is, if you notice. This is the old way, this is the new way. Just comment this, and copy this one here. Okay, just here and also comment this one. Open terminal and check again. Note this is the multi-line with the old way, and this is the new line with the ES6 method. And did you see how simpler it is, how cleaner code without missing anything? This is really a great, just using the backtick with the dollar sign and bracket, right? Okay, for multi-line, then how you could use this? Just simply call it backtick, and that's it. No matter what, how line you this, you see, just enter, and this is already counting as a new line. No more backslash and or concatenation. The line break are preserved exactly as you type them, right? This is the real power. Okay, now, okay, maybe we are using this code other line. So just cut this code from here to here. Okay, then this is okay. This is the old code. This is the template literal code. Okay, now the third question is the expression in template literal. The real power comes from being able to use any JavaScript expression inside the curly bracket, this $sign curly bracket. Let me show you some example. Suppose const price equal maybe 99.99 cent. Okay, then const quantity equal 3. Okay, now at first mathematical operations. Okay, first what we do, const total equal, use the backtick, total cost will be $sign. Remember, this $sign is extra $sign. Again, given another $sign, then use this. That means this one is counting as a template literal with this backtick. Okay, this $sign is a string. Okay, now use price into quantity. Right? Now console log it. Total. Let's see. You see, 299. Okay, that's great. Also, if you want to call the function, you can also call it just like this, and you get your name is uppercase. Just see, name to uppercase. What is it? This is the method, right? And this function and this one is exactly work as you want. Also, if you want to conditionally render something with using the ternary operator, you can also do that. Just here, did you see discount? This is a ternary operator. Ternary operator, just a backtick without a second line. Just in one line, you are using your string with the condition. Okay, you can even nest template literal inside expression if you want. What I mean, check this one. This one is, you see, this is the first one, this is the second one, and this second one is the condition. This one is just a user dot name, no issue. And this is the beauty of modern JavaScript ES6. Okay, now let's look at some real world use case where the template literal shine. Okay, so for that, just check this code. Okay, you see, we are using JS, but in this JavaScript, we also call the tag, HTML tag, and this is okay. Just for the verification, we just comment it first, so there is be no confusion when we check this code. Just comment. Now, clear, note, enter, total. Okay, where is the total? Total. Oh, okay. Now, enter. You see, the code are showing here. Exactly what we want. The deep. This is an string. Okay. Then actually in browser it's showing exactly what we want, but it's already given the output with the value, right? Okay, we can use it for dynamic URL also, like this one. You see, URL, and for this URL we get the user ID from our variable, and user API endpoint get from here. Okay, and the example will be look like this. Also, formatting data, we can also use it this way. You see, this is, isn't it good? Check the order. This is an object, and this is another string, but this string is different. This string with the dynamic value coming from this object, because we are using the template literal, and the data coming from this order object, right? And this is cool, right? Now let's talk about tag templates. This is where things get really interesting. A tag template is a function that processes a template literal. This syntax looks like this. You write a function name directly before the template literal with no parenthesis. Okay, what I mean by that, check this. This is your function, right? Let me break down what's happening here. The string parameter is an array containing the literal string part, and this value parameter using the rest syntax with this three dot actually contain all the interpolated expressions. Okay, the function can be processed and returned whenever you want this function, right? Also, if you see when we call this function, but before calling we storing the name and version, then when we call this highlight function, we get the name, right? And you get the result as like this. Okay, and this is okay. This is called the tag template without parenthesis. You notice without parenthesis, learning, name, and version, and we get the output exactly what we want. Exactly same here, right? Okay. For more practical tag template inputs, sanitization, like check this one. This is the input sanitization. Okay, you see this sanitization has a string and value, and in this string reduce data from result string and I mean the index string is string data and result. Okay, then it actually simply HTML escaping with the replace method. Then when you are calling this function, you see this is your script tag with the alert function, and you sanitized it with the user input, and you get user input is this. You didn't get any tag here. You notice this is called the sanitization, input sanitization. Okay. Also, for same thing, you can apply for currency formatting. This is your currency formatting, and the final output you get this when you are given a value, the item price, text price, and you will get the total amount. Okay, without any issue. Okay, this is just an example you could follow, and this is a good example, and we will cover in depth. Right now I just skipping for the explanation here because this is an example only, and this example telling you how to use and how to use these tag templates. That's why I just skip this part. Okay, and okay, now the advanced tag template example. So let's create a style console logger using the tag template first. Okay, this is a style template, and you see this style template, the style is the initial empty array, output is the empty string, and then for each loop, and from this for each loop we get we actually storing the output, and conditionally we check the value I not equal undefined, then another if condition, and this is the nested condition, and in this nested condition we actually get our output and style data. When we using this one, we get the this is a text import style color. Okay, and this is after your console log this you get your output. Okay, great. Now the common gotcha and the best practice. First is the backticks versus quotation. First, suppose just think const wrong equal hello and dollar sign. Okay, you given a name. This is just a regular string, right? We didn't use any backtick. That's why it's just a regular string. And this is a wrong. But if we use this with just a backtick, that's it. Now this is the interpolates, and it's called the template literal. Okay. So this is the backticks versus quotes, and another is skip backticks. And skip backticks another interesting part, like const message equal backtick, use backticks, then slash, sorry, backslash. Okay, then again use this backtick for template literals. Okay, for the from the console log you get the message as a like this, use backticks with this backtick sign for template literal. Okay, you get this output like this. This is a console log. For the best practice, use template literals for any string that include variables. It's more readable. Use tag template for repeated string processing like sanitization or formatting. Okay, keep expressions simple. If it's complex, calculate it before the template. Be careful with user input. Always sanitize when create HTML format. Okay, great. So check this one. This is a very good example. Okay, now and that's template literal and tag template in JavaScript. So let's recap. Template literal use the backtick and make string interpolation easy with $sign the bracket curly bracket. They support the multi-line string without escape character. You can use any JavaScript expression inside the $sign curly bracket. And tag template let you create custom string processing functions. They are perfect for HTML generation, formatting, and sanitization. Template literal are one of those ES6 features you will use constantly once you understand them. They make your code cleaner, more readable, and more maintainable. In the next video, we will explore arrow function, another game-changing ES6 feature with some interesting behavior around this keyword. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more JavaScript content. Drop a comment below if you have a question or want to share what you use template literal in your project. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.